Get your premium websites at affordable rates. Contact us for being your dream into reality. Why pay thousands? Launch your online store in minutes for less than $100.
Your very own sleek, professional e-commerce website, ready to launch today, fully equipped to start selling within minutes, and priced at just $99. No more wasting time learning to code, no more draining your savings on expensive developers, and no more settling for clunky templates that look like everyone else's. This is your all-in-one solution. 3 stunning home pages designed to captivate your audience. A dynamic shop page with advanced filters that let customers sort products by men's, women's, or baby categories in a single click. And a built-in blog to skyrocket your SEO and turn visitors into loyal fans. Imagine setting your prices with a few keystrokes, watching your inventory update in real time, and seeing your store shine on every screen, phones, tablets, desktops, without a single glitch. This isn't just a website, it's your personal sales engine, working around the clock to grow your brand. But let me show you why this is a game changer. Meet Alex, a stay-at-home parent who turned her handmade baby clothes hobby into a $15,000 a month business using this exact platform. She didn't know a thing about web design, but with the drag-and-drop editor and ready-made filters, she launched her store in an afternoon. Or take Ryan, a fitness coach who used the blog feature to share workout tips and saw his supplement sales triple in just 30 days. These aren't outliers, they're proof that with the right tools, anyone can win. Here's what you're getting: lifetime access to a website that includes not just the basics like About Us and contact pages, but pro features like automated inventory tracking, mobile responsive design, and customer reviews to build instant trust. Need to add a new product? Just upload a photo, set your price, and tag it as men's, women's, or baby. The filters do the rest. Worried about security? We've got you covered with free SSL encryption and daily backups. And for the first 50 buyers, we're throwing in free lifetime hosting, a $300 value, so your site stays fast, secure, and online forever with zero extra costs. But here's the catch. This $99 price tag is a flash sale. At midnight tomorrow, it doubles to $200. Right now, hundreds of entrepreneurs are snapping up this deal, and once those 50 hosting spots are gone, they're gone for good. Think about what happens if you wait. Your competitors could launch their stores tomorrow, using the same tools to steal your customers and dominate your market. Why risk losing thousands in potential sales just to save $99 today? This is your moment to act. Tap the link, secure your $99 website, and I'll even send you 2 free bonuses: a step-by-step guide to launching your store in 1 hour and a cheat sheet of 100 proven product descriptions that sell. But you have to move now. The clock is ticking, and this offer won't last. Your future customers are already searching for products like yours. They just need a store to buy from. Give them a seamless experience, lightning-fast filters, flawless mobile design, and a brand they'll remember. Don't let doubt or hesitation cost you this opportunity. For less than the price of a weekend getaway, you're getting everything you need to start, scale, and sustain a thriving online business. Click the link, grab your $99 store, and let's turn your vision into reality. Tomorrow could be your first $1,000 day, but only if you take action today. This deal disappears in hours. Your business deserves this. You deserve this. Don't wait another second. Your $99 store includes everything: blogs, filters, mobile-ready design. Start selling in minutes. Why waste $1,000 on developers when your pro website costs less than a date night? First 50 buyers get free hosting forever. Miss this, and you'll pay monthly like everyone else. Customers want filters: men, women, baby. Your $99 site gives them exactly what they crave. Meet Sarah. She made $10,000 in 30 days with this $99 site. Your turn. Your competitors are buying this. Tomorrow, the price doubles. Decide now. No coding, no stress. Just a ready-to-launch store for $99. Your shortcut to success. Blogs boost sales. Contact pages build trust. Your $99 site includes both, plus 3 homepages. Set prices in seconds. Watch it work on every device. Your empire starts at $99. Tap the link now. Your future self will thank you when the price jumps to $200 tomorrow.